Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing really well. Let's start today's chapter, Graphics and Tables in Word 2021. Chapter profile, inserting pictures, table, creating a table, entering text in a table, selecting cells, rows, columns and table, inserting rows or columns in a table, deleting rows or columns in a table, splitting and merging cells, changing the row height and the column width. Brain boosting, write the name of the shapes used to make the following image. Okay, this is very easy. You have to name all the shapes. Okay. We already know that Word 2021 is a word processor and it offers enhanced features to create attractive documents with a professional look. Let's learn how to work with graphics and tables in Word 2021. Inserting pictures. In Word, we can insert pictures in the document along with the text. Inserting pictures make the document more legible, presentable and easy to understand. A picture can be inserted from a file or from the internet. See, Word में हम pictures add कर सकते हैं अपने document में और जब हम pictures add करते हैं तो हमारा जो document है और ज़्यादा presentable लगता है, ज़्यादा legible लगता है और उसको understand करना काफ़ी easy हो जाता है. Okay? So, दो तरीके हैं आपके picture को insert करने के लिए. First देखते हैं inserting a picture from file. To insert a picture from file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the picture button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select the This Device option. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 4. Choose the desired file and click on Insert button. Okay. So, आप सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? Insert tab पे click करेंगे. Then you will click on Picture button. Here, drop-down menu appears. Then you will choose here from here this device. Okay. And now Insert Picture dialog box appears. Now you can choose any file and then click on Insert. Okay. Next is inserting online pictures. We can also insert a picture from an online source into a Word document. By default, the online picture search uses Bing Image Search. To insert online picture, follow the given steps. Number 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the picture button in the Illustration group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select the Online Pictures option. The Online Pictures window appears. Step 4. Type a keyword or description of picture you want. Press the Enter key. The result of the search appears. Step 5. Click on the picture you want to add to your document. And step 6. Click on Insert button. The online picture appears in your document. Okay. So, किस तरह से हम पिक्चर को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम इंटरनेट वो देखते हैं बट उससे पहले फैक्ट बूट वर्ड सपोर्ट्स मैक्सिमम टाइप्स ऑफ फाइल एक्सटेंशंस फॉर इमेजेस मोर देन 25 डिफरेंट टाइप्स इमेजेस कैन बी इंसर्टेड इन वर्ड. देखिए वर्ड जो है ना मैक्सिमम टाइप्स ऑफ फाइल एक्सटेंशंस को सपोर्ट करता है इमेजेस के लिए. सो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इमेजेस 25 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इमेजेस आप वर्ड में इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू इंसर्ट ऑनलाइन पिक्चर. Click on Insert tab, then again go to the Illustration group and click on Picture button. Okay, from drop down, select Online Pictures option and this window appears. Now type a keyword or description of picture you want. Then press Enter key. Then click on the picture which you want to add and then click on Insert button. Okay, table. In Word, tables are the powerful and useful tools. They are extremely flexible and easy to create and manipulate. A table is an organized arrangement of data, that is text, numbers, pictures and other objects, which consists of a number of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Data in the form of text or graphics can be entered inside the cells. सो वर्ड में टेबल्स आपके बहुत ही यूजफुल टूल आप कह सकते हैं, बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं, इनको क्रिएट करना आसान होता है एंड मैनिपुलेट करना भी. ओके, सो यू नो टेबल आपका ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अरेंजमेंट होता है डेटा का जिसमें आपके टेक्स्ट नंबर पिक्चर्स होते हैं. इसमें टेबल में आपको पता है ना आपके रोज एंड कॉलम्स होते हैं एंड जो रो एंड कॉलम का इंटरसेक्शन होता है दैट इज नोन एज सेल. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी serial number, this is column, and serial number particular row and column this side. Okay, now creating a table. In MS Word 2021, we can create table in our document in different ways. Here, we will know about the two methods. Using table grid option. The best way to make a table in Word is to use the grid on the table buttons menu. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click where you want the table in your document. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the table button in the tables group. A drop-down grid appears. Step 3. Drag through the grid to set the desired number of rows and columns. Step 4. Release the mouse button to create the table at the insertion point. The table will appear in your document. Okay. So we have two methods to create a table. So first one is using table grid option. So first, click where you want the table. Then click on Insert tab. Then go to the tables group and click on table button. Okay. Then drag through the grid, and here you can set number of rows and columns you want. Okay. Now we will release the button. Okay. Now see, the table has appeared in our document. Okay. And next method is using Insert Table dialog box. To create a table using the Insert Table dialog box, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click where you want the table in your document. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click the table button in the table groups and select the Insert Table button. Step 3. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Specify the number of rows and columns. Step 4. Click on OK button. The table with the specified number of rows and columns will be inserted in the document. Okay, again, click wherever you want your table. Then click on Insert button and then click on Table button. And here, now in this dialog box, specify the number of columns and rows. How many number of columns and rows you want, and then click on OK button. Okay. Now entering text in a table. We can enter text in a cell in the same way as we enter text in a document. To move between the cells in a table, we can use arrow keys or tab key. The tab key takes the cursor to the next cell. A combination by shift plus tab key takes the cursor to the previous cell. Okay. So now we have created the table. Now it's time to enter the text in those tables. Okay. So like this, see, name, address, percentage, means this is the table और इसमें हमने जो है text को enter किया है, name है, address and percentage. Okay. Selecting cells, rows, columns and table. We can select table, cells, rows and columns in a table to perform editing task. Okay, so to select a cell, if you want to select a cell, what you have to do means what action you should perform. Click on the left edge of the cell, and if you want to select a row, move the mouse to the left of the row margin, click the left mouse button and drag to the end of the row. आपको row margin के left में जाना है, mouse को लेके जाना है, and then left mouse button को click करेंगे, and then we will drag to the end of the row. तो इस तरह से हमारी जो row है वो select हो जाएगी. And if you want to select a column, place the mouse pointer over the top of the column and click the left mouse button. And if you want to select the entire table, then click on the table, move handle or drag the mouse over the entire table. पूरी table select करने के लिए आपने जो click करना है table पे, फिर handle को move कराना है, drag करेंगे over the entire table. Okay, so इस तरह से आपकी पूरी table select हो जाएगी. Now inserting rows or columns in a table. We can add rows in our table to insert additional information. To add new row in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select a row or column where you want to insert a row, column or cells. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Select the desired option. Okay. Now, you want to add rows and columns. So, what you have to do? First, select a row or column where you want to insert either row or column. Right. Then, click on Layout tab. And then, from here, you can choose any option. Right. Now, deleting rows and columns in a table. To delete a row or column, follow the given steps. Step 1, place the cursor in the row or column to be deleted. Step 2, click on the Layout tab. And Step 3, click on the Delete icon options in the rows and columns group. A list of options appears. Step 4, click the Delete rows or Delete columns option to delete a row or a column. Okay. और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि extra row या column होती है, मतलब जिसकी हमें ज़रूरत नहीं होती, तो हमें इसे delete करना पड़ता है. So, how we gonna do that? फर्स्ट आप कर्सर को प्लेस करेंगे इस रो या कॉलम में जिसे आप डिलीट करना है. देन लेआउट टैब पे क्लिक करेंगे. ओके, एंड देन रोज एंड कॉलम्स ग्रुप में यू हैव दिस डिलीट आइकन ऑप्शन. क्लिक ऑन इट. नाउ हियर लिस्ट ऑफ ऑप्शन अपीयर्स. If you want to delete row, then click on delete rows, and if you want to delete columns, then click on delete columns. Okay. Splitting and merging cells. Splitting cell means dividing the selected cell into separate cells. To split a cell, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell that you want to split. Step 2. Click on the layout tab. Step 3. Select the split cells button in the merge group. The split cells dialog box appears. Step 4. Specify the number of rows and columns you wish to split the selected cell into. Step 5. Click OK. The selected cell is divided into a number of rows or columns as specified by you. Okay. अब आपको क्या करना है कि split का मतलब क्या होता है? Split and merge करना है cells को. Splitting का हम देखते हैं कि जो cell है, जो selected cells हैं, हम उसे divide कर रहे हैं separate cells में. Okay. So first you will select the cell जिसे आप split करना चाहते हैं. Then layout tab पे click करेंगे. Then merge group पे जाएंगे and you will select from here split cells. Okay. The dialog box appears. Now, here you can specify number of columns जितने भी आपको चाहिए. Okay. And then click OK. And see, आपकी ये number of rows और columns में आपका split हो गया जितना आपने specify किया था. And next is merging cell is the opposite of splitting cells. Merging cell refers to combining two or more cells in a row or a column into a single cell. To merge cells, follow the given steps. अब merging cell जो है आपका splitting cells का just opposite है. Split में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? एक cell या row, एक cell को आप split कर रहे हैं. ओके बट यहाँ पे आपने क्या करना है कि आपके जैसे दो या दो से ज़्यादा सेल्स हैं रो या कॉलम में, उन्हें आप मर्ज कर रहे हैं. ओके सो स्टेप्स आर सिलेक्ट द सेल्स दैट यू वांट टू मर्ज. स्टेप 2 क्लिक ऑन द लेआउट टैब. Step 3 select the merge cells button in the merge group. The data gets merged into a single cell. Okay, so first you will select the cells जिसे आप merge करना चाहते हैं. Then layout tab पे click करेंगे and then again in merge group you will select merge cells. Okay, अब आप देखिए जो data है आपका single cell में merge हो चुका है. Okay, now changing the row height and the column width. To change the row height or the column width, follow the given steps. Step 1 select the rows or the columns. Step 2 click on the layout tab. Step 3 change the height and width of cells from the height and width scroll box. Okay, now you have to change the row height and column width. So first आप row and column को select करेंगे. Okay, then click on the layout tab. Okay, then you have this height and width scroll box. यहाँ पे आप height and width जो है cells की उसको change कर देंगे. Okay. Revision time. Inserting pictures make the document more legible, presentable and easy to understand. A table is an organized arrangement of data which consists of a number of rows and columns. We can insert tables in a Word document by using the Insert Table Grid option or the Insert Table dialog box. We can insert and delete rows, columns and or cells in a table. Splitting cells refers to dividing a single cell into separate cells. Merging cells refers to combining two or more cells of a row or column into a single cell. So students, I hope आपको ये chapter समझ आया होगा. Keep doing practice of this chapter and also do practice of the exercise of this chapter.